how to close a Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close or delete a Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to close your Facebook account, the first thing you need to do is open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone, then select Menu in the bottom menu. Once the menu opens, select the gear in the top right to open the settings, and then in the settings, select See More in Account Center. Once in Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details, and then from here, select Account Ownership and Control. After that, select Deactivation or Deletion, and then select the Facebook account that you want to close. Now, if you want to permanently close your Facebook account by deleting it, select Delete Account, or you can temporarily close your Facebook account by deactivating it. So just select accordingly. I'm going to select Delete Account, and then select Continue. If you're currently the owner of any Facebook pages, those will also be deleted, or you can transfer ownership of those. Check the description because I have a tutorial going over that. Select Continue, then tell them why you want to delete your Facebook page, then select Continue, then select Continue, and then scroll to the bottom and select Continue one more time. Then you just need to enter your Facebook account password, select Continue, and then you will have closed your Facebook account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.